If you're seeing the error tag present in the reparse point buffer is invalid, in OneDrive, you're definitely not alone. And in this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to fix it step by step. By the end, you'll understand why this issue happens, and you'll have a toolbox of methods to get OneDrive running smoothly again, whether you're looking for a quick fix or a more thorough solution. Let's dive right in, starting with the easiest and least disruptive method, working our way up if needed. First up, we'll try repairing or resetting OneDrive. This is like giving OneDrive a gentle nudge, reminding it how to behave without messing with any of your files. To do this, click the search bar in Windows, type Reset, and you'll see options to repair or reset apps. Click it, find OneDrive in the list, and use the Reset option. Don't worry, this won't delete your documents, it'll just refresh the OneDrive app itself. Many times, this step alone clears up minor glitches that can trigger reparse point errors, letting OneDrive reconnect with your files as it should. If you're still seeing the error, don't worry, we're going a little deeper now. The next method is to run chkdsk, which is Windows' disk checking tool. It's like having a mechanic give your hard drive a checkup, searching for and fixing bad sectors or tiny bits of file corruption that can confuse OneDrive. Here's how: open the Start menu, type cmd, then right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. You'll see a black window pop up. Now type chkdsk and press Enter. But before you start, quick note: if your OneDrive folder is on a different drive like D or E, swap the letter in the command correspondingly. If you're told the volume's in use and asked about scheduling it for the next restart, just type Y and press Enter. Then restart your computer and let Windows check your disk all the way through. This could take a while depending on your drive size, so maybe grab a coffee or take a break while it works. Whatever you do, don't shut down your PC mid-process. Interrupting could cause issues. If the issue persists, let's try resetting OneDrive through the command line. This is a more forceful reset, making sure any stuck background processes get cleared out. So open Command Prompt as Administrator the same way we did before. Now we need to stop OneDrive if it's running. Type taskle OneDrive exe and hit Enter. This command tells Windows to force stop all running OneDrive tasks. After that's done, you can actually rerun the reset command or open the OneDrive app manually. This method is a solid middle ground if the basic app reset didn't do the trick. Now, if all else fails, and sometimes it does, our last resort is to completely reinstall OneDrive. Think of this like uninstalling and reinstalling a stubborn app on your phone. We're cleaning up any hidden leftovers that could be causing conflict. Here, how: open Apps and Features in your Windows settings, scroll down to locate Microsoft OneDrive and uninstall it. Once it's gone, I recommend checking your user folder, usually under C/users/your name, for any lingering OneDrive folders and deleting them manually. This ensures nothing old gets in the way during reinstallation. Finally, head over to the official Microsoft website, download the latest OneDrive installer and set it up fresh, and that's it. Follow these methods in order and you should have your OneDrive back in action. No more confusing reparse point errors. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you ran into any snags or have questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.